What's going on, fishing buddies? Welcome back to the channel. Perdido Key in the yak this morning. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, check out the profile, check out the playlist. If you're interested in kayak fishing, surf fishing, kayak camping, or offshore fishing in the Panhandle area, give me a like, hit a subscribe to follow. Trying to reach 2,000 subscribers by the end of summer, getting close. Let's get it out there. No trips today. So these are days that I come out here and try to pick up patterns on fish for trips. If I just take the days off, then I might lose something. So this is my second day out here. I had a great day out here yesterday with the reds. Lost that footage, SD card issues. It was a heartbreaker. So back out here today just to see if they were just hanging around that day or I could pick up a pattern. Yeah. I still got this cut bait out the back too. Oh, come on. Come on. I got him pinned. He scared me. He hit it so hard, it scared me. And I was able to get a good hook set in him. Where you at, buddy? Oh yeah. I see you. This is gonna be a slot, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, commotion. Oh, this guy does not want to give up. Come here. Slam the brawler. Oh, come here. We're gonna net him. Come here. So yesterday I pulled in a nice 23-inch red on these brawlers, these fight clubs. They're like jerk baits. Had it on a 3/16 red jig head. So definitely gonna start with that. This guy rigged up just like that. I got him on a 15-pound. Oof, feels a little afraid. 15-pound leader, 10-pound main line. This is my little Cajun Coastal 6'9", 3000 series reel. Gonna give a few casts up close to those rocks there. Back there. Oh, if there's anything under the dock, he will hit that. I got him. Oh, he let go. Let's try something different. Since they keep short striking me, I'm gonna put on this 3 1/4 knock and tail. It's a new color they have and a new size. They have the 3 1/4 and the 5 inches now. Knock and tail lures. My Coast Outdoors is the company. Link in the description of the video. All right, let me stop playing around chasing these trout. Head to what I came here for, reds. Great one yesterday, lost the footage. Gonna switch it up to the 5-inch knock and tail. It's got a big rattle in it. Makes a lot of noise. And now I got trout busting just where I left. Oh, there we go. Let's see if I can get this guy to hit this knock and tail. There we go. Got him. Got him. All right. Hit that knock and tail, buddy. Oh. All right, that's a good trout. That's a good one, I think. Let me get the net on him. Nah, he's hooked good. Come here. All right, he might be keeper. Nice trout, guys. He's probably right at 15. I am gonna let him go. It's still early. I don't want to keep these guys yet. I'm hoping to get a red. Hit this nice 5-inch greenback knocking tail with a 3/16 red Fight Club jig head. Nice catch. I do have a Carolina rigged up with a piece of shrimp fish bites. Basic Carolina. I'll throw out the back. And I also put on a popping cork. This is a Submerged Outdoors popping cork with a fish bite fighting shrimp. I'm going to work the grass edges with this guy and throw this other one out the back because I'm not drifting or anything like that. Current is super light, so I'll be able to get away with it without having to anchor off. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. On the fish bites? What do we got? Some hit it. Had it run out of that dock. I can't get anything to hit anything. Alright, my last ditch effort here. I've tied on a 4-inch knocking tail. The pumpkin. And I'm gonna bump him around on my way in. Unproductive today. That one trout, should have kept that guy. I would have had some lunch. I'm hoping this little 4-inch knock it. Oh, there we go. There we go. The knocking tail, baby. The knocking tail. Oh, where you at? I got you. I got you. Oh, I gotta back up on this one. He's running. He's running. Oh, oh. Oh, that's gonna be a red. That's gonna be a red. The knocking tail. 4-inch. Oh, last ditch effort. Come here. Phone's ringing. Oh. I can't get this guy up to even see what he is. I'm pretty sure he's a red. Oh yeah. No, it's a cat. It's a cat. No. I was so excited. I'm going home. There he is, guys. My red